Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss conjugate of complex number. See here, what is the conjugate of complex number? Suppose I am taking z equal to x plus iy as a complex number, then its conjugate is denoted by z bar and defined as z bar equal to x minus iy. So observe here, x plus iy, x minus iy. So in front of imaginary part, if you have plus, then replace by minus. If you have minus, then replace by plus. Then you will get the conjugate. So conjugate means before the imaginary part, we have to replace by the opposite side. Then it is called conjugate of complex number. For example, if I take z equal to 1 plus I, then z bar will be 1 minus I. Suppose I am taking z equal to only I, then z bar is minus I. Suppose I am taking this example 1, example 2, example 3. I am taking only real part, then z bar will be again same real part. Okay, if complex number having only real part, then you will get again z bar as same number. If z is having a real part and complex part, imaginary part, then z bar will be different. In front of the complex number, imaginary part, you will get opposite sign. Right? So here what we can observe that if z is real, then z bar equal to z. Okay, if z is real, then z bar is always equal to z. And observe here, if z is only imaginary part, then you are getting in front of that imaginary part minus. So can we write another note? If z is purely imaginary, then z is equal to minus z bar. Right, z bar you will get again minus z. Just to change the sign in front of purely imaginary part, you will get z bar. Right, that we can write z plus z bar is equal to 0 for purely imaginary number. Right, so remember this condition, z bar equal z, then you can say z is real. If z equal to minus z bar, then it is z is purely imaginary number. Right, so let me explain how to represent conjugate complex number in the organ plane. Suppose this is the organ plane, this is real axis and this is imaginary axis. Suppose I am taking z, some z here, suppose 2 plus I am taking, this is 2 and this is 1, so 2 plus I. What is the conjugate? I have taken z equal to 2 plus I. What I explained, conjugate 2 minus I. See, 2 minus I, where it lies? 2 minus I lies at negative, below the real axis. So here, this is and z, and this is z bar equal to 2 minus I. Right. Suppose I am taking z equal to minus 1 plus I, then z bar will be minus 1 minus I. Only in front of imaginary part you will get opposite sign. Okay, so let me represent this in the organ plane. Minus 1 plus I lies here, second coordinate. So if it is minus 1, then this will be minus 1 plus I. Minus 1 minus I lies here, minus 1 minus I. So if z is a complex number, then its conjugate lies opposite in opposite direction, where x real axis, we can treat real axis as a mirror image. So we can say z bar is a mirror image of z with respect to real axis. Okay, now let us see some properties on Z bar. Properties on Z bar. On conjugate. Z bar means conjugate. Conjugate of complex number. First property, Z1 plus Z2, two complex number. If you have bar, then you can separate the bar Z1 plus Z2 bar. And second one, Z1 minus Z2 also, you can split the bar Z1 bar minus Z2 bar. Third property, if Z1 Z2 are multiplied, then you can separate the bar Z1 bar into Z2 bar. Fourth one, Z1 by Z2 whole bar, you can separate for numerator and denominator Z2 bar. Fifth one, Z1 bar whole bar is equal to Z1. Conjugate of conjugate number, again you will get the same complex number, right? And sixth condition, Z plus Z bar by 2 will give real part of Z, or Z, real part of Z. And seventh one, Z minus Z bar will give by 2a will give imaginary part of Z. Okay, remember these properties which are useful to solve the problem. Okay, let me explain one problem. Let us do one problem. If Z1 equal to 3 minus 2y, Z1 is equal to 3 minus 2y, Z2 equal to 6 plus 4y, Z2 equal to 6 plus 4y. Then find Z1 by Z2 in rectangular form. Rectangular form means a plus ib form. Rectangular form. So let me take Z1 by Z2 here. Z1 is 3 minus 2i, Z2 is 6 plus 4i. So denominator and multiplying using the conjugate of denominator. So multiply and divide by conjugate of denominator. 4i by 6 minus 4i by. So what you will get, Z into Z bar. And one more thing here, remember the note, Z into Z bar is equal to, you will get x square plus y square, that equal to mod Z whole square. Okay. So here 6 plus 4i into 6 minus 4i, 36 plus 16. 3 6 18 minus 12i minus 12i minus 8. 18 minus 8, 10. 10 minus 24i by 36, 52. 52 you can separate like this, minus 24 by 52. So this is the simplest form. 2 5 is 2 2 is 2 6 is 2 26. So 5 by 26 minus 12 by 26. So this is rectangular form of the given Z1 by Z2. Okay, after simplifying Z1 by Z2, you have to express in a plus ib form. One more problem. Z is 2 plus 3i into 1 minus i. Then find Z bar. Z inverse. Find Z inverse. We have Z, we have to find Z inverse. So first I am simplifying Z. Given Z is 2 plus 3i into 1 minus i. 2 1 is 2 minus 2i plus 3i minus 3i square means plus 3. So 5 plus I. So I need Z inverse. Z inverse is 1 by Z. So 1 by 5 plus I. Multiply and divide by conjugate of the complex number. 5 minus I. 5 minus I by 5 5 the 25 plus 1. So 5 minus I by 26. That's it. Okay. Next problem. What is the next one? So that 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10, 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10 is a real. Is real. So what I am taking here, solution. I am taking this as Z. Let Z equal to 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10, 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10. So I am applying bar, Z bar. So Z bar is 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10 plus 2 minus I root 3 whole power 10. One more property we didn't write here. Here one more property I am including. Take property. Zn whole power bar equal to, you can write Z bar whole power n. Zn whole power bar equal to Z bar whole power n. You can use this property here. So Z1 plus Z2 bar, no? So I am subtracting the bar. 2 plus I root 3 power 10, 2 minus I root 3 bar whole power 10. 2 plus I root 3 becomes 2 minus I root 3, conjugate of complex number. Plus here it becomes 2 plus I root 3 whole power 10. Again we got Z. So we know that if Z bar is equal to Z, then we can say Z is real always. Only real. If it is real number, then only we can get Z bar equal Z. Okay. Using this procedure, you solve the exercise problem in the similar way. Okay.